Hey everyone, we just got back from the flea market. First thing my mom wanted to do there was drink Agua Fresca and get tacos. Well, you know, when your mom wants to do that and you have a little bit of fruit left in your house, what happens? Equally Agua Fresca. We got our water, some blue agave, I think. Agave. And we are going, we even have watermelon and lime. We are going to be making watermelon and lime Agua Fresca. Okay, everyone, now that our watermelon's cut up, we're gonna pour the watermelon in. Ooh, this is heavy watermelon. Ooh. Make sure you do this with adult supervision. Okay, my mom had to help me with that one. Now we are gonna turn this blender on. Let's pop the lid on and add some water. I mean off. So now we are going to mix. Watch me. Tell me if it works. Mom. Oh, it's off. So now that we got that mixed up, we are going to add our lime juice. Pour it in here. And now we are going to add the agave. Don't worry, my mom cut a hole in here. Put it in a bag so it doesn't make such a mess. Okay, we are going to pour in the watermelon juice into here. Okay, this looks good. We're gonna add some water and stir it up. That's enough. Nope. Wait. More good. I forgot a glass. No, we're gonna pour some of the Fresca in. Ooh. I'm gonna like this. Super Fresca. Oh, and don't forget to add your items to it. This is good. Okay, if you have a favorite Agua Fresca flavor, write down below which one you like and we'll do it for you. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.